I'm your host, Arena Hunt, My Cooking Channel. Welcome back to My Cooking Channel. Okay, so now what we're doing here is we're just going to do a recap for our country style pork chop sirloin, pork sirloin. We need a boneless pork rib or pork sirloin, pork chop, pepper and salt, oil or olive oil, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 cup chopped red onion, and 1 orange juice. I guess I have this part as natural orange juice. That would work. And also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I got my soy sauce. There you go. It is. Ta-da. So don't forget that. Don't forget your soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. So the first thing that we have to do is slice the pork and heat the oil in this pan. Add the pork and also about 3 minutes. Add the bell pepper, onion, and orange juice. It's so small I can't even read it. And also 2 minutes. You have to just stir it for 3 minutes. And don't forget our broccoli. Broccoli or vegetable broccoli. Vegetable. That's it. What's that? I'd say get well soon to Mr. Edwin Gengosa, one of our chefs. Hopefully you will feel better so you can join me, or I can go to your house, and he's the best in so international cooking. So here we are. Here's the vegetable, the broccoli, and the onions and bell pepper. And then set aside the pork, and we will put the orange juice and soy sauce. Back to My Cooking Channel. So here it is. It's almost ready, and you just have to simmer it a little bit, probably like 2 minutes, and we're all set and ready to go. Let me cover this, and I usually make fried rice on the side or just plain rice, okay? Make some vegetable or salad on the side. That's our recipe. I forgot my apron. I already put the pork, and probably another 2 minutes and we're ready to go and prepare for our family. For more recipe, you can go at www.emails.com, and also check us out at azhollywood.com. A as in Alpha, Z as in Zulu or Zebra, Arizona Hollywood or AZ Hollywood, and click on My Cooking Channel. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. I'm your host, Arena Hunt, My Cooking Channel.